We'll now learn how to present our spreadsheet by taking advantage of the formatting options built into Excel. Excel is a very powerful spreadsheet program, but surprisingly it features some very useful presentation options. Let's take a look at just a few of them. We're going to change the font and the font size of our title. Start by selecting it. Go up to the formatting bar and select font size. Change the font by selecting the font menu, and we'll use Impact. Select Enter, and that's all there is to it. Let's change the font size of row 3. Let's also change the font size of our days of the week and our totals. Now our title, our days of the week, and our employees all stand out a little bit more. You can also change the color of your fonts. Select your title, choose font colors. Let's use pink. You do that in the same manner as you change your font and your font size. Another option we have is to change the fill color, the color behind our font. It is located right next to the font color. We can also adjust the height and the width of our rows and columns. To change the height of row 3, move your cursor under the number 3 here and drag. Now there's more room for our text. Another thing I'm going to show you is alignment. We're going to skew the alignment here of our employee names. Select the names you want to change, or the row, choose Format, and Cells. We're prompted here with a menu. We're going to put them at a 45-degree angle. As you can see, our text here is now at 45 degrees, but some of it is cut off. Again, we can change the height of the row by dragging under it, or we can have Excel do it automatically for us. Simply select the row, choose Format, Row, and Auto Fit. As you can see, all of our text fits perfectly now. One more thing we can do is add a border. Let's add a border around our data to make it stand out just a little bit more from the titles. Select the area that you want bordered, and we just want an outline border here. This is where we use the border menu. We choose outside borders, and now we have a nice border around all of our data. Feel free to experiment with all the formatting options. Get the look just right and just the way you want it.